What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So without any further ado, let's get started. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.